Let's take a quick look at engagement reports. Please note that you may or may not have access to these reports depending on how your group's been configured. So let's select Statistics in the navigation panel, and then Reports. We're selecting the Engagement panel. This first report is on meeting attendance. It's listed by member, group type, and then it just compares the number of meetings that this person's attended to versus those that they were invited to. The next report covers discussion comments, and it's just listing how many comments that person has posted to the discussion section during the given period of time. And then trophies awarded. This just shows of the number of trophies that this person's been invited to award, how many did they actually award. You'll notice in this particular group that you've got some pretty poor participation on all these things, and that's just simply because this is a made-up group we use for demonstration only. So now you have an understanding of the engagement report.